Hi there, I'm Dr. Jeff Willardson from the Kinesiology and Sports Studies Department at Eastern Illinois University, and I'm here today to talk about my research and creative activities. One of the projects I have going on right now is with a company called Primal Pictures, and they are based in the United Kingdom, and what they do is they produce different movement animations. And recently, we had the opportunity to work on a project with them where we filmed 24 different resistance exercises. And these exercises are all very applicable to what kinesiology and sports studies majors will be prescribing in real-world settings after they graduate. And so that's what we were really trying to accomplish with this, was provide a very practical product, something that makes the material in kinesiology and biomechanics courses more relevant and real to these students as they go out and become personal trainers or physical therapists or work in a school setting with students. So what we did was we filmed 24 different resistance exercises, and Primal Pictures was able to turn those into animations where you see a skeleton with muscles attached that's actually performing those exercises, seeing the muscles contract and the joints rotate, different segments of the body positioned in certain ways, and so students are able to see exactly what the body should look like and how the body is working during performance of those movements. Another project that we're pursuing with Primal Pictures is to do that same thing, only with sports skills. So going from resistance exercises then to sports skills, where students will actually be able to see how the muscles and the skeleton works during performance of things like the javelin throw, or the shot put, or the discus, or running the hurdles, high jump, basketball shot, baseball pitch, softball windmill pitch, golf swing, all those things that make the material in the text come alive. Textbooks can only go so far in providing basic theoretical information and pictures, but it's a whole lot more meaningful to students when they can learn about a muscle and then actually see how that muscle works in a real-life setting. So that's what I have going on with Primal Pictures right now. Other research studies that I have going on with a group of researchers down in Brazil, we are studying muscle enzymes and how different resistance exercise protocols affect the elevation in muscle enzymes in the blood following a workout. And this is important because athletes are under a lot of stress, constantly training all the time, and so trying to optimize their workouts is very important to get the best possible performance. Muscle enzymes in the blood is the indicator of muscle microtrauma. Okay, so as we work out, there are slight tears in muscle fibers, and that results in elevations in the blood levels of enzymes. And so by looking at changes in these enzymes over time, we're able to determine how long the healing process in the muscle takes. And from that, we're able to extrapolate how much time athletes should have between workouts that involve similar muscle groups. And so when taking that information combined with all the other components included in an athlete's program, hopefully we can optimize athletes' performance. These are things that I'm currently involved with my research, and hopefully if you have more questions, please feel free to contact me.